Hello and welcome back to my channel. Do you like candles? Because I do. This is the hazelnut cream, highly fragranced, hazelnut, caramel, and vanilla. I bought this big guy from Walmart and it has been amazing. It smells so good and it was only like $6. But today I just received a package in the mail. I did work today, so moving up in the world, finally getting back to work, so happy. Our business will be opening on Friday. Not my business, but my boyfriend's parents' business will be opening Friday for curbside. So that's exciting. So yeah, this is another part of, so I bought this with the tint and these were $8.99, and what these are hang on, they are lights that go inside of your car. So I've already had these. I mean, my mom has had these before, and they go inside the car to light the car up, and I bought the blue ones, so it's going to light up blue. And this little tool here is to get the light off if needed. So like there's a light on top of the car roof, and if you need help prying that off, you just use this. So you get this little pack of lights. I think there's 9 in here. So yeah, I will be doing a video with these, or I will just continue the video from here. So these are the blue ones. They have red, they have white, green, pink, I think. But yeah, I'm excited. I don't know exactly how they go in. I think they're just little fuses. That's what they look like. And then there's some like this, but I'm not exactly sure how these go on either. So I will have to be watching a couple YouTube videos on how to plug these in or insert them into my car lights. If you can hear the rain in the background, it's so peaceful, but it's kind of cold. I have the windows open, chilling. You can see my little Kit Kat here. I just got a notification that said, delivered. It's super late, but anyways, 2 hours later. I hope you guys continue to watch this video and stay tuned. Good morning, YouTube. It is 8:45 in the morning, and I am going to be trying to get these dome lights out of my 2012 Ford Focus to put these lights in. I have no clue how to do this, so just bear with me.
These are some suckers. They're definitely not coming out. What the heck? What the hell? Why aren't these working? Ah, so close. So close. Well, this should not be as difficult. Damn. I think I can see inside of it finally. Ugh. Jeez. This is like a workout, man. All the way up in there. I got it. Oh my god.
I got that far. I am trying so hard. This is like a workout. So as you can see, that part is pretty bent. It's like someone just forced it in there. I'm trying to get this light out so I can put those in. This is so hard.
Okay, I'm gonna keep going. What is it stuck on? So there's a whole panel right here, and that whole panel is the light. How did they get this in here? Probably why you don't get things out. You know? I'm not gonna do this one yet. I'm gonna do the easy ones first, and then well, if we can get this bad boy back in there. Jeez. Okay. The beam's coming off. Okay, come on, go back in. And it's off. Okay. That's what we're working with today. Why is this not going in? Is this not like the right side? Or what? There's a bad piece here. Not going in.
Horrible angle, but I'm still trying to figure this shit out.
Oh, jeez. What do you got going on there?
I don't know, I messed up.
So, that's wrong.
That is going to go right here. And I was trying to put these blue ones in, but they're not compatible with my insides. You can see we got one of my neighbors actually came to help me, and he saw I was struggling with the trunk area, so he took out the trunk light bulb and has a blue trunk light bulb in there right now. I tried taking out the dome lights, which is right there.
But the dome lights, they pop out real easy. Just a quick connector. But there's a motherboard.
Yeah, it's like a computer chip.
Yeah.
And those are going to be super difficult to get out.
And it's on the casing, and you're just going to have to get a sharp-ended screwdriver.
Just like this. It's like a computer
it's not like
chip.
this, but it's a chip
It's just
sitting
a really
on top
big
of
chip.
one of these. So we're going to pop those out later, probably. And when you mount this light back in, it's got to be square. You just pull this
Unlike
tab,
mine.
that tab, and slide it in. I literally just pulled the tabs and then slid the light in. I didn't actually put any pressure on the light, and then it just sits in your casing like that.